Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions. Perfect execution. All instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. I think there's a bit of an echo. Just confirm with fine. How is that now? I think it's perfect now. Okay. Let's hop on to the live stream and try to take advantage. Do drop your pairs there. Do drop your pairs so we can try to take advantage and hopefully get something in the day. Okay, I think somebody's saying there's still a bit of an echo. So hopefully it's perfect now. There we go. Perfect. Good morning, Jonathan. Drop your peers on the side there, and let's see what we can get from there. Okay. Now, just starting with some of yesterday's setups, I'm just doing a bit of a recap. If you did watch the Trading Night channel, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, starting with gold. Gold left us completely, broke structure and continued to the downside, but we should be finding something just decent today. So what I'll do is I'll also analyze it as we keep going in the day and potentially get something on it. Okay. So let's see how that's going to work out. And hopefully we can move in the day. So as you continue on the 1 hour with gold, you do see that there was a bit of a bigger structure over there. And then we can look at this zone here. I'll also open it and go deeper into price so I can find the daily key zones and potentially find something that can work. I see somebody saying also there was a bit of a buffering when the Wushu video was playing. So I don't know where that came from, but hopefully we'll sort it out for tomorrow's session. Okay. So this is an unmitigated candle that we can work with. And remember, we are always trying to take the highs, always trying to make sure that we've got the highs. And once we've got the highs, things are much, much easier to work with. Okay. So now just hopping in to the hourly where we found this setup, we can see that. Okay. Okay, that's much better. And hopefully we can try to take advantage and see just there we go. So because this zone is slightly a bit big, and usually we prefer to take setups that will give us something a bit decent. This will be our trading range just above this level here. So what we can do, and if you just move it a bit higher, we're going to try find a zone inside here and potentially try and take advantage of that one over there. Sorry about that. I'm going to the higher time frames now, just so I can get a bit of an idea of where price is on the daily chart. Okay. So we are going to have to refine it. We're going to have to refine it onto the hourly, just so we can get a better stop loss range. I'll just use the fibs as well, and then just take that down a bit. And then we'll have a setup that looks like this. And then our setup will be like that. Perfect. There we go. So that'll be your gold setup. There we go. And then, of course, you'll have your alerts in the middle there. And then if you've got the Wushu 2.0, you can just input the figures and then let the markets do what it needs to do. Okay. And then following up with this USD ZAR setup from yesterday, I know we did the setup for a live request, and I know it went quite well, actually. Let's just go back. So this is where the trade triggered. The sell stop was triggered right here, and then price came in and triggered at this candle here. And hopefully you can hop onto the live to confirm this trade. And then, of course, price hit, I think it went up to 2R, if I'm not mistaken. 3R, actually. Yeah, give or take 3R. And then eventually went back up again. But we don't trade USD ZAR, so I'm going to remove it. And then we had the setup, or potential setup, actually, from this time frame, which actually didn't trigger. We didn't have a decent move to get in from because we were waiting for price to actually trigger. I see Jonathan, you want me to look at AU. I'll do that. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. So you'd have a break of structure here, but price actually retraced, breaking it and basically invalidating the whole setup. So what I'll do on EU right now is to just open it a bit more. Sorry about that. And this is a 4-hour, by the way. I will remove these because we are still looking at a potential buy, but then this level is broken. So it basically invalidated the whole setup. So we are just going to see how it plays from here. And then at the hourly, we just looked at it now. Nothing decent there on the 30. There's nothing decent as well there. So let me just hop on and take a look at AU. Start with the daily just to have a bit of an idea of where price is. You always want to know where price is. I don't know if this one triggered properly, so I'm going to remove these ones here. Actually, no, I need to zoom into price first and see what happened here. Oh, this one that actually hit 3.6 and all the way down here. I don't know why I didn't mark it. And then this one here did not trigger. Price never came back to the bottom here. And then on the daily, we are in a bit of an interesting zone because we are actually in the order block right here on the daily time frame. So if we refine it further, we're going to find ourselves on this candle here. Let's see. I think that's probably where we found that setup from the daily. I'll get into the hourly one as well. So here's an unmitigated OB right here. And then you will take the highs, of course. Always take the highs. And we can actually go deeper into price to try find see if we can find a better refined unmitigated OB. And that's exactly where it is. Here's one right here. So this is where we actually found this setup right here. I don't have to go deeper. I'm just going to close these ones and then go back into the daily. Remember, I did say this is from the daily time frame. So this is how it looks. And then, of course, you'll have this setup like that. And then, of course, to the downside. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So you'll have a setup that looks like that. Now, if you go deeper into price here, we are looking at, let me just move this to the side here. After this, I'm just going to do a recap of that GCAT setup and look for today's decent moves. Okay, so if you take a look at this hourly, not even hourly, this daily, there's something happening in here. I'm just going to go into the 4 hour and try to look at it from this angle here. Okay, then hop into the hourly. Not finding anything there. Let's take a look at the 30. I'm just looking at recent price action, trying to see if we can find a decent entry point there. And if we can get it and hop to the bottom. Okay. So here we do have a BOS over there, but now the challenge now is these candles here. So you might want price to be below them before doing anything with them. So let's see how that works out. Nope. We're not going to play around with this. So we are just going to keep the daily one and just see how far that one takes us. Okay. Yeah, let's leave that on as is. US 100. I know we had a trigger yesterday. It literally went into our zone, triggered, and then tanked as usual, giving us a very beautiful, beautiful setup right there. Going all the way down to actually drop even further, hitting 17R. That was an extremely crazy setup, but just gonna mark that. Let's see what today has in store for us. No, nothing there. Nothing there on that one. Let's see what the lower time frames are saying. There we go. We've got something on the 15, but not getting validated here. We had another BOS over there. I actually don't see it coming back to pick up some orders because this is a good zone to work with. Just minimize it like that. And then let's go deeper into price. Something along these ranges. And then, of course, have a sell right here. But then now the stop loss range is a bit too big. So ideally, to take a bit of a quicker means would be to refine it from here. And of course, have a sell at that point. So it'll look like that. There you go. There you go. And then you'd have a setup that looks like this. Perfect. So that's your US 100 for the day. Let's see how that works out. And that's about it for today's stream, guys. There are not much requests, but that's about it. We did take a look at 3 pairs. GCAD didn't work out for us. It came into the price point here, triggered, and then hit our break even right here at 1.5 and then tanked again. So this was a break even setup that just left us. So that's it for this one. And that's it, guys. Let's catch up again tomorrow, right before the London Open, and take it from there. Do check out the bootcamp, check out the new Wushu 2.0, and of course, check out our signals. Happy trading, guys.